up, Hearties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to give you guys my top 8 natural hair products, my must-haves, my favorites, my current favorites, my favorites that I've had for a while. Some of them I've just started, but right now they are my must-haves. Like, I want them. Like, if they finish, I'm going to purchase them again. So these are my top 8 products that I absolutely love, and I'm going to share it with you. So my first product that I'm going to share with you guys that you need for your natural hair care is a sulfate and paraben free shampoo and conditioner, right? Shampoo and conditioner. So y'all already know these are my favorite shampoo and conditioner. I am trying this new one that I saw in Walgreens, which is the Biotin Boost. I don't want to give a review on it as yet because I have just started using it, but I know this brand is great because I've been using it for a year. So I just started using this new one. It feels exactly the same as the other one that I normally try. I will leave a link to that one in the description below if you haven't seen that video. But this shampoo and conditioner, it makes your hair feel so soft and so nice. Like, I love it. So I decided to just stick with it. Like, you know, if you find a product that works for you, just stick with it. So I'm just sticking with this brand, and I'm sticking with this because so far it's been so good. I've been using it for over a year, so it's been so good. So after I finish this one, the thickening shampoo, if it works, I'm gonna let you guys know if it did thicken my hair in any way. If I do see a significant difference, I'll let you guys know. But this is like the Biotin Boost, and I think it's going to be great. But these are my top favorite shampoos and conditioner. And once they finish, I must have them. Like, I have to go back and buy it. Like, even my conditioner is almost done. I mean, I love them. My next must-have, my next favorite, this is something that I always buy no matter what. I do like the Argan Oil Edge Control. I do use it, but it doesn't give you like a really good hold for your edges. When my hair was relaxed, I used to use this, and I noticed, like, using it now, it still works better than anything else that I've tried. So this is my next favorite, that black gel boo. That Ampro style protein styling gel, better known as black gel, right? It's almost done, as you can see. It's really one of my favorites. It's one of my must-haves. Like, I have to have it. If this is almost finished, I have to buy another one. I love it. My next favorite is definitely the Blue Magic Coconut Oil Hair Conditioner. I mean, oh my gosh, did y'all see that? Your girl be killing this, okay? I kill it. Like, I use it in my hair, I use it in my boy's hair. We killing it, okay? This is such a good product. Like, it really moisturizes your hair. It keeps your hair nice and soft. It keeps your hair looking shiny. And like, simple products, that's all you need. 1 or 2 few products, that's all you need. And this is like my favorite one. Like, if I don't have nothing else in my hair, I will have this in my hair for sure. Like, if I have nothing else, this has to be in my hair. So this is another one of my favorite. Okay, y'all already know naturalistas that we always need a spray bottle, like with water or something. We always need it because water really moisturizes your hair and it makes your hair so much more manageable. Like, just a little water in your hair to clarify it is so good. So yeah, this is a must-have for any natural. A spray bottle. that you can put water in it. And it's great. Yeah, pink is my favorite color, so of course I had to have a pink one. My next favorite is definitely a rat tail comb. I like to have the thin ones with the metal, but I couldn't find it for this video. But any rat tail comb is fine. You definitely need a rat tail comb for like parting your hair. It's easier to part your hair if you have a rat tail comb, and if you're doing your hair yourself, you know, it's easier to do anything with the rat tail comb. So definitely this is okay, so definitely this is one of my must-haves. The next must-have is this brush. I got it from Kmart. Let me see. It's a Donna brush, and it's kind of similar to the Denman brush, but it's not the Denman brush, but it's similar. And this brush works great. Like once your hair is wet, it just glides through, and it makes your hair really soft and easy. Like even if like my hair is like super matted and super tangled, all you do is put some water in your hair and just take this magic brush and just brush, and all the tangles will be gone with minimum shedding, right? Okay. My next favorite product, let me see, hold on. Okay, so my next favorite product is always some type of detangler, some type of leave-in conditioner, some type of moisture, something. That's always my must-have. Like if you don't have, like right now I have Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. I have like a lot of leave-in stuff. Not a lot, but I have at least 2 or 3 leave-in stuff. But right now, thanks to Daniela's curls, she's the video that I watched that told me anything about Camille Rose Natural. So now I actually tried Camille Rose Natural thanks to her, and I absolutely love it. Like I love the smell of it, and I love how it makes my hair feel. And right now my favorite one, well, I have 2 of them that's my favorite, and I'm going to share it with you guys. So my first favorite one is the Moisture Milk. Like, oh my gosh. The Moisture Milk, it smells, it smells so good, right? I just love stuff that smell like cake. I don't even know why. But anyways, I love the Moisture Milk, and it really makes your hair feel nice and soft. If you just spray it with water and you add your Moisture Milk and you twist it or style it however you want it, it is really good. And my next favorite is the Twist and Butter. As you can see, oh, let me see if you can see. Wait, hold on. Can you see? It's almost done. But this is my favorite one, the Twist and, this is my next favorite one, the Camille Rose Natural Twist and Butter. And I mean, I know it says twist and butter, but you don't have to use it only for twist. You could use it for braiding, you could use it for anything. You pulling your hair back in one, you want it looking fresh, you can sleek it down with this. It doesn't have to be a gel. So I use it for everything. It's almost done, and I definitely will buy it again. Yeah, and these are some of my natural must-haves, for my natural hair. And as y'all see, my natural hair is doing really well, really great. I did stop using the blow dryer. I did I did slip up, and I tried to dry my perm rods with it, but I didn't really want to use it as much, so it wasn't a major slip up. But I haven't been using heat on my hair, and my hair is doing great. It's just doing great. And right now these are the products that I've been using, and I absolutely love them. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh, my head feels like a heavy piece of wood. Oh my gosh. If this is what a wash and go feels like, I don't wanna feel it no more.
I can't walk away from us. That's not me. This don't